Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to replace part of a string with another string. So first, I'm going to store the sentence in my text variable. This is all text, and this will I will store. I love Java programming, and we are going to replace Java with Ruby. So we can use this syntax over here. This will be text, and inside text, we are going to use a Java, and this should be replaced with Ruby. And then we can confirm it by using putS, and we are going to print our string. Just save it and run our program. So this is very easy, and we can see I love Java programming is replaced by I love Ruby programming. So this way you can remove the first matching instance of that string. So if we have Java twice in our string, then only the first instance will be removed. To remove all those matching substring from our string, we can use a gsub method. It is used to globally substitute a character or set of character with another. So let's see example how to replace all the values inside a string using gsub. We will use the gsub method to replace all the instances of Java which will be in our sentence. This will be our text, and now I'm going to set this text value to. I'll just copy this one and add more text to it, and repeat Java twice. I love Java programming. Java is cool. And then I'm going to replace Java with Ruby, so I can now I'm going to do gsub. So over here I will use text dot gsub, and we're going to pass in the substring we are looking for, Java, and now we are going to pass in the substring with the we want to replace with. So this will be Ruby. So all the instance of Java will be replaced with this Ruby. Let's check the output by using putS and pass in text and run our program and check the result. We just need to save into text again because the original string don't get modified. So just save and run, and now we can see the wherever there is Java, it is replaced by Ruby. The original string was I love Java programming, Java is cool, and now we have I love Ruby programming, Ruby is cool. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.